Extreme cold hits, and the demand for heating across the city is at its peak. On one side, the essential heating for people's livelihood. On the other, the inefficient power consumption of industry. The grid is overwhelmed. Industrial inefficiency equals squeezing out resources for people's heating. Energy conservation is the social responsibility of enterprises. Industrial energy-saving transformation precisely reduces the burden on the grid and safeguards people's heating. Industrial energy conservation equals grid relief plus warm homes for the people. A win-win situation that demonstrates corporate responsibility. Proactively carry out industrial energy-saving transformation, shoulder corporate social responsibility, and jointly safeguard the warmth of the city.